In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom meeting directly from your browser without needing to download the Zoom app. Whether you have limited space on your device or just prefer not to install extra software, this method will keep things simple and efficient. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the invitation link to the Zoom meeting handy. This link is usually sent to you via email or instant message by the host of the meeting. It's crucial as it will direct you to the exact online meeting space you need to access. Next, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type Zoom. This will help you get started, guiding you towards the right place to initiate joining the meeting. Once you have the results, click on the official Zoom website link. It's essential to ensure you are on the official site for security and accessibility reasons. Now that you're on the Zoom website, look for an option that says Join a Meeting or something similar. Click this option to start the process of joining the meeting. When prompted, you'll want to select the option that allows you to join by entering the meeting ID if it's requested. This ID is typically part of the invitation details sent alongside the link. You may want to have it ready just in case. Once you're on the page to join, you'll see two primary options: entering the meeting ID or pasting the invitation link directly. To streamline the process, paste the invitation link you've been given into the space provided. This action might simplify your way forward, ensuring you don't accidentally type incorrect information. After entering the invitation link, click the Join button. At this point, the website will attempt to direct you towards downloading the Zoom app. However, don't worry. Look for a small link on this page, typically phrased as Join from your browser. It often appears once you click Join from Zoom Workplace and then cancel the pop-up prompt meant to push app installation. Click on that link and you'll smoothly proceed to join the meeting using your browser without needing any app. Joining via a browser is a seamless way to participate in a meeting without the extra step of app downloads, making it simple and convenient. It's perfect for those who might be joining from a shared computer, a public location, or simply prefer using a web interface. Remember, this method keeps your virtual meeting experience straightforward while still allowing you to benefit from all the tools Zoom offers in its meetings. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're all set to join your next Zoom meeting directly from your browser. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your virtual meeting participation effortless and efficient.